With that now, we are shifting our focus to the poll-bound state of Bihar, where the battleground has only been heating up with each passing day. Now, opposition parties continue to slam the Election Commission over its special intensive revision of electoral rolls. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has doubled down on his attacks, while West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is the latest to join the escalating war of words. Remember, Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the lower house of the parliament, has accused the Election Commission of scrapping lakhs of names from Bihar's voter list and deliberately removing the names of the poor, the farmers and Congress supporters. Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has alleged that the BJP has plans to remove names from Bengal's voter list as well. Mamata has warned that her party will oppose the electoral roll revision tooth and nail if it is carried out in Bengal. The BJP has hit back, saying that West Bengal Chief Minister is trying to protect the Rohingya Muslims in the state. Remember, the BJP has also repeatedly backed the voter list revision, asking the opposition parties to work hard to get votes instead of raising a hue and cry over the exercise. Now, as the poll roll revision row continues, Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar has thanked all the eligible electors of Bihar for participating in the much-needed cleaning of the electoral rolls, which has been an extensive exercise underway.
आपको मालूम होगा कि उन्होंने बिहार में नई वोटर लिस्ट तैयार करनी शुरू कर दी है। किसको हटा रहे हैं? गरीबों को, मजदूरों को, किसानों को, कांग्रेस पार्टी के वोटर्स को, आरजेडी के वोटर्स को। हम वहां पे आंदोलन कर रहे हैं। जो इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में किया, जो ये बिहार में करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वही ये आसाम में कोशिश करने की ये कोशिश करेंगे। और ये आप सबकी, हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है कि इन्हें ये काम हम नहीं करने देंगे।
मैं बिहार में सुना 30.5 लाख वोट निकाल दिया। ऐसा करके महाराष्ट्र में बीजेपी जीता, नहीं तो नहीं जीतता। दिल्ली में भी ऐसा करके जीता, बिहार में भी ऐसा प्लान कर रहा है, वो भी हमारा भाई बहन है। बंगाल में भी प्लान करना है। हम तो इंच में लड़ाई करेंगे और दिखा लेंगे बिना युद्धे 1 इंच जमियो আমরা ছাড়বো না।
Mamata Banerjee government distributed fake birth certificate, Aadhaar card and Epic card. Mamata Banerjee, due to her fear psychosis, she is on the road today. Because she knows it very well, after Bihar, if Election Commission will start random and thorough revision of the voter list, approx 1 crore Rohingya Musliman names will deleted from the voter list.